Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Kazakh is easy. So, сәлеметсіздер ме? Қалдарыңыз қалай? We will try to make a sentence of the verb. We have some verbs like kill, come, ber, give, жап, close, аш, open, тур, stand, жүр, to go, tell, ayt, kel, come. So we can form past forms of the verb by adding to base form endings like the, t. So let's try. Berdi, was give, жапты, was close, açtı, was open, turdu, was stand, жүрді, was walking, ayttı, was tell, келді, was come. So next tense, it's future. We have same verbs, and at this time we have to add to base form vowel like a, ye, I, and endings, of course. So let's try. Berеді, will give, жабады, will close, ашады, will open, тұрады, will stand, жүреді, will walking, айтады, will tell, келеді, will come. So we add to base form vowel ye and ending the. So next is present. So we have same verbs except this word je. It means eat. So let's try. We form present forms of the verb by adding endings up, op, and word жатыр. So беріп жатыр, giving, жауып жатыр, closing, ашып жатыр, opening, тұрып жатыр, standing, жүріп жатыр, walking, жеп жатыр, eating, келіп жатыр, coming. So also we add instead these words words like this: отыр, тұр, жүр. But anytime we can use these words жатыр, it was right. But when you improve your skill, your Kazakh language, we can use also these words. This word otır means sit, tur, stand, жүр, walk. If you add this word like a otır, you can add these words also, yeah. But this word means what you do same time when you doing this thing. For example, berіп отыр, giving, it means is giving and sitting same time. Berіп тұр, it's like giving and standing. So guys, I hope it was clear to you, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye, жақсы сау болыңыздар.